What's going on, guys? My name is Josh and I'm here at JTech, and this video is going to be kind of broken down into 5 parts on the AC system. Right now I'm going to show you what you need to do before you hook up any type of gauges or check anything. First things first, what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to do an inspection underneath the hood with the car off. You're going to want to inspect the low pressure line right here, and as you can see, it is rubber. You want to check for any cracks or damage, make sure it's all good and everything. You want to check the low pressure, or the high pressure line, excuse me, and make sure everything is good right there. You want to make sure all the electrical connections and the wiring is good and tight. You want to check the compressor down there, and by the looks of it, everything seems to be in good working order. And other than that, everything underneath the hood seems to be just fine and dandy. It's a pretty old car, so yeah. Okay, so now step 2 to checking your AC system is listening for any types of noises. Now you are going to want someone in the car to help you with this, so that way they can start it up and turn the AC system on high. Okay, now that he's started up the car, he's going to go ahead and turn the AC system to high. As you see, the clutch engaged. Now the noise you are hearing is the fan that's in front of where the condenser is. And judging by the way this is running with his system on high right about now, clutch is engaged, no noises are heard, no honking, knocking, or any type of squealing or squeaking. In all honesty, no noise is heard, so I'd say everything's good in this system. But that's always crucial to look for in the system. Okay, so the third part of this video that we're going to cover is an odor. Now, you have a drain tube right down in there. It's that small little nub right next to the exhaust, right in front of the firewall there. That's where your water is coming out at. Now, if for some reason that gets plugged, you will start to smell something inside the vehicle. And one way to determine that is, after a while, if it is plugged, this part of the carpet right behind here will start to feel damp, and after a while it will seep down below the carpeting and it will start to stay there and stink, and after a while it will let off a really bad odor inside the car. But that's only if the drain tube on the vehicle, as again it is right behind here but it varies on the vehicle, is plugged or cut by chance. Okay guys, now in this part of the video I'm going to show you how to hook up this machine and the gauges in general. Now you have your low side right here and your high side right here, and your low side is always going to be your blue. Okay, so you're going to want to take that, connect it to there, and make sure it's tightened all the way down, and now it is. Then you take your high side and then connect it to the high side plug, and you turn that all the way on. Okay, now you go ahead and make sure those are on there correctly. Now the one that takes the pressure is the low side, which is the blue part right there. And once you go ahead and do that, you'll be able to see the readings on the gauge here. Now the reason it has different diameters is because so it marks which fittings are able to fit onto what for the gauge and everything like that. Okay, so now what I'm going to show you is how to do a temperature test. You want the vehicle running, you want the recirculating air going, and you want the AC on and the fan on high. Now this is the inlet line to the condenser, so we're going to go ahead and take that measurement. Right now we are at 112 degrees. Now for the outlet, we are at 91 degrees, or 90 for the, it just keeps dropping. It keeps dropping, so it's probably going to. So it's relatively cool, and there's got about to be a 30-degree difference temperature-wise in the whole system.